Hi students, in last class we learned about the MS Office button as well as first tab, home tab, so which consisting of five groups: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. So each group having its own commands. So if you go for clipboard, so it is having cut, copy, paste and format painter, same way font, paragraph, styles and editing. So now move to the next tab, which is insert tab. So insert tab provides pages groups, tables groups, in illustrations, links, header and footer, text and symbols. So let us learn the first group, that is pages. So insert tab, in that pages group consisting of three commands: cover page, blank page and page break. So what is cover page? So it is nothing but the front page of your entire file. So for example, if your file consisting of 100 pages, and if I want to give a best cover page for that book on that time, what you can do is that just click on insert tab, then click on cover page drop down button. Here drop down button is there, just click on this drop down button. So it will display different types of cover page. Cover page is nothing but the front page of your entire file. So for example, if I selected the contrast or consultative, cubicles, exposure, mode, motion, so these are the different inbuilt front cover pages are available. Suppose if I selected the annual, so just click on this annual, so automatically it displays a front page. Here you have to write the type of the document. So for example, I will give the type of the document as cab, then I will insert here in year, then here you can mention the type of the document's subtitle. So this cover page is specially made for cab file. So it is nothing but the cover page of the entire file. Next one is blank page. So cover page is nothing but the front page of the entire file. Second one is blank page. So let us see this file consisting of how many pages. If I drag downside, so it consisting of 5 pages. So now I will make it as a single page. So just click here backs. So now if I press the button here, so it consisting of only one page, so if I click on the blank page option, automatically it creates a new page. So just click on this blank page option, see here, automatically a new page appears. If I again click on blank page, it moves again to the third one, see here. So page 2, if I move page 3, page 4, that's it. Third one is a page break. So page break option is used to break the entire file into two pages. So for example, I will insert one paragraph. So I will make it as copy, then I will paste here. So this page consisting of 4 lines, and if I want to move the second line, the following modalities would be adopted for completing the assessment in the reduced time and the visit schedule modified accordingly. If I move to the next page, so you place the cursor beginning of the and press enter button, or what you can do is that, so just click on this page break button. So instead of pressing number of enter buttons and move the text to the next page, so what we can do is that we can break this page. So just click on this break page option. Before that, we have to place the cursor from where we have to break this text. So just click here and click on this page break option. Automatically the text move to the next page. Now again, if I want to move the completing the assessment to the next page, again what you have to do is that just place the cursor here and click on page break. Automatically it moves to the third page. So let us see here in the first page, then if I drag downside, this is the second page and this one is the third page. So this is the 3 commands which covers in a pages. First one is cover page. It is nothing but, as the name itself indicates, this is the front page of the entire file. Blank page option is used to insert a blank page. So if there are 3 pages and in between first and second, if I want to insert a new page, what you can do is that, so place the cursor in the first page and just click on the blank page. A new blank page appears in between 1 and 2. And next one is page break, as the name itself indicates. So it breaks the page into 2 separate pages. So place the cursor where we want to break the paragraph, then click on page break option. Automatically the text will move to the next page. So let us move to the next command. Let us move to the next group, tables. So when we click on tables drop down button, so here we can view 5 commands: insert table, draw table, convert text to table, Excel spreadsheet and quick tables. So if I want to create a new table, here 2 options are there. First one is that inbuilt option. For example, if I want 3 rows and 3 columns, so directly you can select, see, a 3 into 3 table. So just click, automatically it creates a table here. So it is consisting of 3 columns. So first column, second column and third column, again 3 rows. If I want to insert 7 columns, on that time, again insert table, table drop down button, say first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7 columns. Then how many rows I want? 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows, 7 rows or 8 rows. So how many rows you want, you can select. And same way, if I want 8 columns, you just drag 9 columns, so 10 columns. If I want only 4 columns and 5 rows, see here, 4 columns, first one is 4, then 4 into 5, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, then 5 rows. This is the first way option to insert a table. Or one more option is there, just click on insert tab, then table drop down button, here insert table option is there. So it opens a insert table dialog box. Here number of columns options are there. How many columns you want? I want 7 columns and 6 rows. Then here fixed column width option is there, fix auto fit to content option is there, auto fit to window option is there. Here fixed column width is nothing but each column having its own width, all columns have same width. Then auto fit to contents. See here, what is auto fit to content means, so whatever we are inserting inside that particular column, it fits to that column itself. And third one is auto fit to window. So auto fit to window option is used to fit your table to the entire window. So I will select fixed column width and click on OK option. See here. Okay, it inserts 7 columns as well as 6 rows. Next, if now I will insert 3 columns and 2 rows. I want to insert a new column in between the first one and second one. So what I have to do is that place the cursor here, just right click. It will display insert, delete cells, split cells, borders and shading, all those things. Just click on insert. So here insert column to the left, insert columns to the right, insert rows above, insert rows below, insert cells. I want the columns to the right side. Just click on insert columns to the right. See here, it inserts a new column between first and second one. So here I will insert Sunday. I want one more column. So again just right click here, then click on insert, again insert columns to the right. This is for Thursday, then insert columns to the right, insert columns to the right, Saturday. So here I will insert the dates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to insert a new row. So what you can do is that again right click, insert, insert rows below here. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So where we want, we have to place the cursor, then just right click, then insert rows below. Or what you can do is that place the cursor at the last column. See here, this one is the column and this one is the row, and intersection of row and column means this one small square is called as cell. What is cell? Cell is nothing but the intersection of rows and columns. So what you can do is that if I want to insert new row, at the end of the cell you place the cursor and just press the tab button. It inserts a new row. Instead of right click and insert rows below, what you can do is that second option is that we have to place the cursor at the last cell, then press just tab button. Or what you can do is that place the cursor at the last column outside the cell, last column outside the cell, and just press enter button. So 3 options are there to insert a new row. First thing is that just right click, then click on insert, then click on insert rows below. If I want above, on that time you can go for insert rows above. Or what you can do is that place the cursor at the last column cell, then press tab button. Or one more option is that place the cursor outside the last column cell, outside the table, then just press enter button. It inserts a new row. So now I will insert the date here one by one. Now I want to delete these 3 rows. What you can do is that select the 3 rows, then right click, then here delete cells option. Just click on this delete cells option. It opens delete cell dialog box. Here shift cells left, shift cells up, delete entire row, delete entire column. So I have to select delete entire row, select it and click on OK button. It deletes the selected the rows. Now you can select the entire table, then home, so you make it as center. Then if you want to give color for this one, so what you can do is that here insert option is there, then table, here quick tables options are there. So it is having inbuilt colors. You can select any one of the option, so automatically it applies. Or what you can do is that you can insert your own color for these cells. So select this one, then click on home. Here you select the text highlight color, it highlights the rows. Or you can apply the font color for this one. Or if I want to set a color for the entire table, here in home tab paragraph group, here shading option is there, here select any one of the color. See, this type of color appears. And for these weekdays, if I want to give color, again select the same one. This is about the insert table. Then second option is that draw table. So if I want to draw a table, on that time what you can do is that, so just click on table option. So before that, place the cursor here, table option, then click on draw table option. Your cursor changes to pencil. Your cursor changes to pencil. Now you can draw your own table. See here, I'll drag it. So table, one row is there. Then second one column I will draw. Second column, third column, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. If I want to insert one more row, again you draw, again here you can insert a column. Suppose if I want to erase this one, here automatically a new two tabs will appear, that is developer and layout. In design, you just click on the eraser button, so eraser appears. With the help of that one, we can erase it immediately. This is about the draw table option. Next is that, so I will delete this table, then I will insert a 4 rows, 4 columns and 2 table. In between these lines, if I want to delete this line, on that time what you can do is that select the all 4 cells, then right click, and here just click on this merge cells option. Automatically it deletes the lines of that particular column. See here you can insert now. Again I will merge this one, right click, select 2 cells, select it and click on merge cells. Then I will insert third sem time table. So select it, home, and make it as center, and see here, this is the way. For example, if I want to merge these two rows, select these two rows, right click and merge cells. It combines these two cells. Next one is that if I want to, suppose if I want to delete the entire row, on that time place the cursor here, then right click and click on delete cells, then click on delete entire row option and click on OK. Now again, if I want to split this single cell to two rows, what you can do is that, so just right click here, then click on split cells option. It opens split cells dialog box. Here number of columns, number of rows. Here it is having only one column, so one column, then two rows. See here. Now if I want to convert this single cell into three columns, so right click, then split cells. Here number of row, see this is a row, one row, and I want to make it as three columns, so three columns, click on OK. See here, three columns. Next one is that convert text to table. So for that one I want a text. So first we have to insert a text here and insert one text. I will copy it, close it, I will paste here. So this is the text. I want to convert it into columns. So what you can do is select it and click on insert, click on tables, click on convert text to table option. Here number of columns is there. I want to make it as 5 columns, click on OK. See here, 5 columns and entire text will come in the first column. So this is nothing but we have to convert the text into table. Next one is that Excel spreadsheet. So MS Office consisting of one more application, that is MS Excel. MS Word is purely used for inserting the text and make the editings. It is called as text editor as well as word processor. It is specially built for inserting the text and do the modifications. Second application is MS Excel. MS Excel is used for calculation purposes. Excel consisting of again number of rows and columns. So for that one what you can do is that click on insert tab, tables group, table drop down button, click on insert Excel spreadsheet. So it opens a MS Excel. Here also you can insert the text in rows as well as in columns. And last one is quick tables. Here inbuilt tables are available. So those who don't know how to create a table and how to insert rows, how to insert columns, so for those people, so Excel provides quick table option. So for that one click on insert tab, tables drop down button, quick table. Again here arrow mark is there. Select a table. So in which format you want. I want this format, just click on this double table. Automatically it will display this type of table. Here you can do the editings. For example, letter name is there, so I will make it as name of the student. Next I will make it as uppercase to class. Then I will make it as division. Same way you can change letter name, uppercase and lower cases. So these are the 5 options available in tables drop down button. So first option is that we can directly create the table. Second option is insert table. When we click on insert table option, it opens a insert table dialog box. Here you have to insert number of rows and number of columns, then directly click on OK button. And third option is draw table. When we click on draw table option, your arrow mark changes to pencil with the help of that one, so we can easily draw number of rows, number of columns and cells. And third one is convert text to table. If I want to convert your entire paragraph to table, on that time just click on convert text to table. It opens a dialog box where we have to insert number of rows and number of columns. Your paragraph changes to text to table. And Excel spreadsheet. So Excel spreadsheet, Excel is a one more application of MS Office, which again consisting of number of rows and columns. If I want to open a Excel in MS Word, on that time you click on Excel spreadsheet. And last option is quick tables. Quick tables are nothing but inbuilt tables. Those who don't know how to insert a table or how to create a table, for those people, so MS Word provides a last option, quick tables. Just click on quick table option, then arrow mark is there. So which table you want, you select it and automatically that table appears here. So this completes the insert table, pages and tables. So thank you one and all.